I think when you look at the press, let me call it the press, because you see that influence mostly in the newspapers, not so much so in the broadcast media. In the beginning, because I used to be in a mainstream newsroom or a heritage newsroom, it was very difficult to do objective stories about China, because at that time China had not come out with a strategy on how they wanted to deal with the media. At that time, the editors who were in charge of the foreign pages and the opinion pages were under a lot of pressure from the Chinese organizations to tell the stories about China in the way that China wanted those stories told. Over time, however, you realize that their strategy has been changing. They have become more subtle. And as Njoroge has rightly put it, they are taking more people to China and telling them, we want you to go and see how our country is. True, the visits are curated, so you only get to see a part of China that is shown to you. It's like a prism.